Hello, and thank you for choosing Alliance Sensors Group. Today we will be discussing the use of LVIT position sensor technology in submersible remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs. Linear variable inductance transducers are contactless linear position sensors that offer high reliability, durability, and performance at a reasonable cost. These features make them ideal sensors for various internal systems functions in many remotely operated vehicles for subsea activities. Typical ROV systems functions include maneuvering controls, rudder and directional positioning controls, stability augmentation, and tool gripper or robotic arm operation. LVITs can also be used with interactive manual controls in an ROV's remote control console. In most ROV applications, an LVIT position sensor is a feedback element in a closed-loop servo system. In a typical example, LVIT sensors may be mechanically connected to gimbals on the propeller shaft to provide feedback to the ECU that is operating the gimbal servos. When used in ROV steering systems, LVITs can give position feedback about the vehicle's rudder and diving plane's orientation that comports with the algorithms being used within the ROV's position control system. One style of LVIT position sensor that works very well with ROV tool grippers is HG's SSX7 series of Subsea sensors, available for SAE or ISO O-ring port mounting to function within the hydraulic actuators operating the ROV's grippers. The SSX7 series are very robust sensors that can be used directly in seawater to depths of 11,000 feet or in PBOF environments up to 5,000 psig. HG also offers the HG7 series of internally embedded cylinder position sensors. All in-cylinder sensors utilize a gun-drilled blind hole down the center of the hydraulic cylinder rod to measure the actuator position. The SSX7 and HG7 in-cylinder LVITs are available in ranges from 1 inch to 36 inches. The contactless inductive nature of LVITs is a standout feature of these low-cost, high-reliability position sensors. Being contactless means there's no internal electrical contact that can wear out, particularly from vibration. Also, the fact that LVITs are DC in, DC out devices minimizes the need for any auxiliary electronics. LVITs are also available with various bus-ready digital outputs to connect to many common microcontrollers. And their low input power requirement makes LVITs well-suited to subsea operation. A really important advantage for LVIT position sensors in ROVs is their very favorable stroke-to-length ratio, which makes it easy to fit LVITs into an ROV's internal mechanical systems with limited space. HG can also develop customized subsea sensors in small quantities to meet your unique application, including various subsea connectors, O-ring port fittings, alternative materials of construction, and digital inputs and outputs. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this instructional video and want to hear from us again, please click the subscribe button and push the bell to turn on notifications. For additional technical resources, please visit our website, alliancesensors.com.